This is Brian Lucey, and you are at Magic Garden Mastering in Los Angeles. Today we're going to do a reenactment of Royal Blood, a great record. I'm looking at it like a mastering engineer, which is the mindset of overview enhancement. You get a lot out of analyzing the mixes just from tips and tails. Now what we're going to do is go into each of these and insert this EQ, which really changed my life. I'm trying to keep the musical component of each track vibey and energetic. So we want to maximize the punch while not losing the psychoacoustic glue between the fat guitar, the bass, and the kick drum. Let's get a global boost from the analog gear that's got the juice. I'm going to do it here with a bell in the mids and a shelf on top. 5K is going to make it too pop, 2K is going to make it too honky. In between it, like 3.5, is just going to further accentuate the kind of the vibe that's built into the tracks.